Good morning, everyone. Here I am for the second installment of Rapping with Phoenix. Rappin with the Phoenix. I'm not even sure I'm going to keep that name, actually. I'm not sold on it, but I thought it was silly. It suits me. So today, the topic is getting rid of the old self, reinvention of self, heading into 2021, getting rid of the old vibes. So, the first premise is here we are, end of 2020. A lot has happened. People have gone through major metamorphoses this year, whether it's a massive life change, a career change, location change, all of the above. For a lot of you, all of the above. And it leaves the space open for a shedding of the old skin. We are phoenixes, yes. The first part is we die to ourselves and we resurrect as a new creation. The second part of that is that we are snakes. We shed our skin every time we outgrow it. Now, what I want to say is that skin, that new creation doesn't have to look anything like what you looked like before. Meaning that you can allow yourself to take the brakes off and completely reinvent yourself. You know, you look at people in the media, very famous people. Lady Gaga says she was born that way. I don't think she was. She has come into several incarnations of herself. You look at people like Madonna, definitely reinvented herself many times over. Not only that, but, people who have kind of grown out of the limitations of the small self and allowed themselves to become anything that they wanted to be, whether it was iconic or whether it was just out of the norm. They had to grow into it. They had to allow themselves to shed their old skins. So the first thing I would say is to allow yourself to really make a complete departure from anything that doesn't fit you anymore. And one way to do that for the new year is to go around your house, go in your life, go in your computer files, and pay attention to things that are an attachment to old self, that are no longer fitting the vibration of who you are or the incarnation of who you want to be right now. And more importantly, in 2021, fully embodied as the new skin of yourself. So you can go around your house. You can see things that perhaps you wore or old documents you were holding on to, maybe souvenirs, things that you held on to from the past that no longer suit who you are. Take a picture of it, get rid of it, because everything holds vibration. Everything in your house, everything in your realm, even your computer files. I have to go through my Google Drive regularly to get rid of stuff. And if it's there, it's still holding space. It's still holding energy in your life that's tying you back to who you were 5 years ago, 10 years ago, or who you were in 2020 that you weren't super happy with. So it's okay to, just take a picture of it or take a mental picture of it, whatever you need to do to be able to get rid of it. And the reason why I wore this necklace and I wore my hair like this is that, I never would have been caught dead, in this necklace 2 years ago. I just bought it. It's really fun and funny for me to invent myself in new ways, and not because I'm being experimental or because I'm being creative, even though all those things are fun, but just allowing myself to be unexpected, whoever I am in the moment, without judgment or needing to be predictable and safe for the people around me. In fact, you can literally reinvent yourself completely, and the people around you will adjust. It may be a little bit jarring to them at first or shocking to them at first, but they will adjust because the joy in which you hold that new embodiment of yourself and the energy and passion with which you hold the new embodiment of yourself will win them over. So the challenge for 2021 crossing over New Year's is to, make space for the new embodiment of self without fear, and take the brakes off. So that is a fun invitation for you all. I'd be happy to hear any activities that you do that help you to do this in your own lives. Bye.